What's up guys, Kevin Cage here with another cryptocurrency update. In today's video, we're going to be discussing iTrustCapital, the leading crypto retirement account platform. And I have two very exciting pieces of news to share today in this video for anybody that has an account or would like to open one. In full disclosure guys, this is a sponsored video. I've had an iTrustCapital account or a Roth IRA in cryptocurrency with this organization for almost 2 years now. It has been amazing watching the growth of this platform now after raising another $125 million, pushing their valuation to become a unicorn company. So it's been an amazing journey watching iTrustCapital become a household name in the cryptocurrency space, being the leading IRA or crypto retirement platform. You can see they also updated their website, so when you click how it works, you can see a variety of assets that are listed. So great to see they have dozens plus, because remember, they are directly integrated with Coinbase Custody, Curve, a variety of solutions. So plenty of assets, 24/7 trading. Me personally, I don't really trade too much on this platform. I treat it like a buy and hold because to me, this is part of my retirement account. This is what I have for crypto exposure. And the benefit is with a Roth IRA or a Roth individual retirement account, all of this is tax-free. So whatever profits I make in the years ahead, because yes, I do have a portion of crypto that I just hold for life because I believe in the growth of this asset class, it will be taxed at 0%. So I think these tools are incredibly important, and I know that statistics show that almost every single self-made millionaire was an investor or leveraged an IRA. And I like this a lot because I'm in control of my funds. I don't have to worry or leverage Vanguard or Fidelity when I'm buying stocks or investing in index funds like I used to, because that was not 24/7 trading. The fees were outrageous, and I didn't really have any control of my funds. I had to wait during the weekdays. I had to wait for trades to go through. And here, if you decide to buy or sell, trades are executed within seconds. So great to see, and I'm hoping that they add a variety of assets such as QNT, HBAR, VeChain, and many more. So really quick, before going over the exciting news, just wanted to emphasize over 100,000 accounts have been created thus far. I'm sure this number is growing. And I know the mobile application is on the way, and over 2,000 plus 5-star reviews. Now in the video last month, I discussed their integration with Fireblocks. Now Fireblocks is a behemoth, and this is going to lead to the surprise I have. Fireblocks.com, the #1 crypto and digital asset platform for institutions. Hundreds of crypto and digital asset businesses are leveraging Fireblocks software and APIs, whether that's for custody, managing treasury operations, access to DeFi, hint hint, minting and burning tokens, and managing their digital asset operations. Highly recommend going through some of the intro videos on Fireblocks' YouTube channel as well. So as we can see, in this $2 trillion plus digital asset market thus far, which I believe will grow massively in the years ahead, we can see 1,000 of the largest institutional players leverage Fireblocks, whether that's trading and brokerage, exchanges and lending, or banking and payments. So the first big piece of news that I wanted to share today for everybody that has an account today, as they said right on Twitter, staking is coming, staking rewards and all types of DeFi functionality. So this is on the way and in the works, so I'm beyond excited for that. And the cool thing about iTrustCapital is since I still have a bag of XRP on this platform, I qualified for the Flare snapshot. So guess what? I'm also getting Songbird and Flare, the actual token for Flare Networks, in my iTrustCapital account. And keep in mind, I'm still free to withdraw my assets anytime I choose, but you would be taking a penalty. So I want my crypto to grow tax-free, and I cannot wait to see which assets will have staking rewards. There's already dozens of assets listed, and they shared they're going to be listing more and more and more. And remember the trick, I said go to coinbasecustody.com since they're integrated with them. Look at those assets with ample liquidity, real institutional backing, and then I think we could assume there's going to be many more assets added to this list. And of course, even gold and silver for all you gold bugs. So staking, I'm assuming many other little surprises in terms of DeFi are on the way. And keep in mind, they are the first mover in the space. This has never been done before, so this is beyond exciting. And if you guys are going to Bitcoin 2022 over in Miami shortly, they're going to be there if you want to speak with them. Now here's another piece of good news I wanted to announce. iTrustCapital has lowered their initial contribution amount. As we can see, it is now $1,000 with minimum additional contributions of only $500. So now you don't need some crazy amount to get started. You simply need $1,000 to begin your individual retirement account journey. And I want to emphasize that a Roth IRA like I have is tax-free, specifically tax-free trading. So if you guys are trading today without an individual retirement account, that's fine because I am too. But keep in mind, long-term capital gains, short-term capital gains. When you buy and sell, that is still a taxable event. That is considered a crypto trade, technically. So if you are converting your Cardano into Litecoin or selling your Litecoin into Tether or your Tether into USDC, the stablecoin, that is still a taxable event. The good thing is, with iTrustCapital, my crypto is growing tax-free. To report all of your activity with iTrustCapital with a crypto retirement account is effortless with taxes. That's really for me personally because I don't have to get all worked up about taxes with iTrustCapital. What I do have to worry about, and is a complete nightmare, is all the DeFi activities I'm doing. Whether that's yield farming or some crazy complex crypto staking that I'm doing, that's a nightmare playing with all these DEXs. But everything I have on this platform is a piece of cake to report. So we have staking on the way for iTrustCapital accounts. I'm so excited to find out which assets are on the way. I also know my Songbird and my Flare will be dropped to me shortly. We know Flare Networks is going to be launching this July for UXRP community members. And they have reduced the initial contribution amount down to $1,000, and you can make additional contributions of only $500. So remember, this is linked right in the top of my YouTube video description, and once you fund your account, you also get $100 in free Bitcoin. I highly recommend checking out previous videos I've done on iTrustCapital just last month on February 27th, discussing the taxes and the benefits and showing you how much you can really save by leveraging platforms like this, tools that are available for tax-free investing. If you have any questions, they have a great website with how it works, instructions. They also have phenomenal support with a phone number or email, whatever you choose. You can click how it works, understand the security aspect, that these assets are secured in cold storage, military-grade storage. And of course, the FAQ. In this Learn tab right on their website is one of the best places to get started. As we can see, scrolling down, you can see explaining what DEXs are, decentralized exchanges. You can see which coins are now listed on iTrustCapital, learning about what smart contracts really are. What is a DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization? How does crypto mining work? This is just a great place for any beginners. And the best part, compared to other platforms that I was using before, so I speak with experience, there is no monthly fee. Before, I was getting hammered with fees. iTrustCapital, $0. All it is like Coinbase. When you trade, there's a 1% transaction fee. That is no different than buying crypto on an exchange that you leverage today like Coinbase. Except, this is for tax-free trading. So this is mind-boggling. Highly recommend checking this out. And this is all linked in the YouTube video description. So I hope you guys learned something in today's video. I'm personally very excited for lowering the contribution amount to allow more people to get into this market and lower the barrier to entry, which is so important. And that's something that iTrustCapital is making a priority to make them a household name for crypto retirement accounts. And of course, staking and some other DeFi protocols and surprises are on the way, and cannot wait to see which assets are included. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Be sure to like and subscribe, and until next time.